Slang number 43. The phrase is,
Spis lige brød til.
it means, calm down and take a break.
Spis lige brød til.
Literally, eat some bread with it. For example,
Spis lige brød til, det er ikke så slemt.
that means, take a break, it's not that bad. You can use this phrase when someone is overreacting or getting too worked up. It's the Danish way of saying, relax a bit. Slang number 44. The phrase is,
Hold da helt ferie.
it means, no way, or wow.
Hold da helt ferie.
It's a Danish way to express shock or amazement. For example,
Hold da helt ferie, det var imponerende.
that means, no way, that was impressive. You can use this phrase when something surprises you or totally blows your mind, good or bad. Slang number 45. The phrase is,
Milde Moses.
it means, goodness gracious.
Milde Moses.
Used when you're surprised or shocked. For example,
Milde Moses, hvad skete der her?
that means, goodness gracious, what happened here? Use this phrase when you're caught off guard or witnessing something unexpected. Slang number 46. The phrase is,
Rimelig vissen.
it means, quite drunk.
Rimelig vissen.
Use it when someone's a little tipsy. For example,
Efter 3 øl var han rimelig vissen.
that means, after 3 beers, he was quite tipsy. You can use this phrase when you're talking about someone being mildly drunk, not wasted, just vissen. Slang number 47. The phrase is,
Læsehest.
it means, bookworm.
Læsehest.
Literally, reading horse, funny, right? For example,
Hun er en rigtig læsehest.
that means, she's a real bookworm. Use it when someone loves reading and is always buried in a book. Slang number 48. The phrase is,
På god fod.
it means, on good terms.
På god fod.
Use it when people get along well. For example,
Vi er på god fod med naboerne.
that means, we're on good terms with the neighbors. Use this phrase when describing a friendly relationship or smooth interactions. Slang number 49. The phrase is,
Bagstiv.
it means, hungover.
Bagstiv.
Use it when you're still suffering the day after the party. For example,
Jeg er helt bagstiv efter festen i går.
that means, I'm completely hungover after yesterday's party. Use it when the effects of too much partying are hitting you the next day. Slang number 50. The phrase is,
Skægget i postkassen.
it means, to be in an awkward situation.
Skægget i postkassen.
Literally, your beard in the mailbox. For example,
Han stod med skægget i postkassen, da sandheden kom frem.
that means, he was caught in an awkward situation when the truth came out. Use this phrase when someone's stuck in a tricky or embarrassing situation.